Oh, well done.
Wow.
The students did such a good job at that.
Yeah, what a great group.
Good job.
Yeah, it did take a lot of courage to get up there and do that.
I would not sing in front of an audience, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, very well done.
I have more trouble when I stand in front of the church audience and I can see them doing a speaking engagement or in front of a big group at a school. This is easy because all we have are a couple of cameras in front of us.
Yeah. What's in your performance today?
We have some fire and ice. Take a look at this volcano erupting in Iceland. It's melting the snow, and the problem is if you get a huge volcano like this on top of what is a deep ice pack, there usually is a horrible flood that follows. And so we have fire and ice and really nutty, crazy, wild weather. I wouldn't get that helicopter very close to those areas that are exploding. Today, temperatures were 48 degrees at land, 37, but that was after the blizzard this morning. We talked about it earlier. You remember? Anywhere from 14 to over 20 inches of snow. It nearly snarled traffic in Denver. Well, that storm is moving away. Notice the warming trend. Salt Lake City 53, Reno today 73 degrees and 70s up and down the San Joaquin Valley. And temperatures closer to Salt Lake City, quite a difference. Look at this. Rock Springs was only 32 with those brisk winds today. It felt very cold. The morning low was 11. Logan was 52. Elko was 56. And there's Vernal with 53. A lot of people in the 50s. And St. George today, a morning low of 39, the afternoon high 65. Now we have a deck of clouds out to the west. These are mid and high level clouds. They do not have precipitation in them. So if you're making some outside plans, you know these days are longer. You get home from work, you have an hour, hour and a half before sun goes down. So if you're making plans to do a little fertilizing on the yard, you know, put that pre-emergent fertilizer on now. It's a perfect time. You kill those seeds, those weeds before they come up. Anyway, I was going to mention this deck of high clouds, the curvature of the earth with the clear skies out to the west. I suspect we'll get some sunlight under the clouds and have a beautiful sunset this evening. The other thing you may notice out to the west this time of the year is Venus. That's the bright object kind of above the horizon at sunset. There are the high clouds swirling in across Utah. This is the storm that will have a big impact. As it moves towards Utah, I'll bet you can't guess what it's going to do. It's going to split. Every storm in the last 2 months has split. So the first part comes in, brings us a shift in wind, few showers mainly to the Idaho border, and then this storm right here comes in and splits apart. So take a look at this area that will see some precipitation on Friday. And yes, it does include the Wasatch Front, so several inches of snow in the mountains. But the brunt of this storm will be across central and southern Utah, and that's where the storms have hit the hardest all season long. Clouds across the Uintas, clouds up towards Camas and also Park City. Central and southern Utah, you have a dandy of a nice day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine mixed with some clouds. 60 in Richfield, 60 in Cedar City, and 70 in St. George. Now with that splitting storm system, a 30% chance for showers Friday in St. George, but there will be a higher chance in the mountains, Kanab and Escalante, Boulder, up towards the southwest mountains, Bryan Head. You'll see some pretty good snow there. In the north, we have a chance for a dribble or two. Best chance, Logan, Brigham City, 7-day forecast. Breezy tomorrow, clouds. On Friday, rain and snow, but it is a splitter, so it won't be a big one. Clouds early Saturday, sunshine in the afternoon, 50. Sunday, 58. Did you see the 65 and 66 next week?
Very exciting.
Those will be the warmest days of the year.
Thanks, Dan.
You're welcome.